student, this is Manisha Tomar on my YouTube channel Chemistry for All Exams. In this lecture, my dear student, I will explain alkenes. This is the topic of basically class 11th of chemistry, in which we will discuss alkenes. The name of the chapter is hydrocarbons, and the first hydrocarbon is alkenes. So let's start without wasting time. We will discuss important facts, not all the theory. So we will discuss basically alkanes, preparation and chemical properties. We focused on the preparation of alkanes and chemical properties. First, we will discuss about the preparation. We have lots of methods to prepare the alkanes, but some important methods we will discuss here. First, from unsaturated hydrocarbons. From unsaturated hydrocarbons means the hydrocarbons which contains double bonds or triple bonds between carbon-carbon are called unsaturated hydrocarbons. And when unsaturated hydrocarbons is reacted with hydrogen gas, dihydrogen, in the presence nickel or platinum catalyst, here pi bonds will be break down and hydrogen, two atoms of hydrogen attached with two different atoms of carbons. So breaking of pi bond and addition of hydrogen to the alkene is called hydrogenation. This reaction is called hydrogenation of alkenes. Hydrogenation of alkenes, which is a unsaturated hydrocarbon. स्टूडेंट हम बता दें यहाँ पे कि जो इथीन होता है, दिस इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एथिलीन. एथिलीन एक प्लांट हार्मोन की तरह भी वर्क करता है बिकॉज इट इज यूज इन द राइपनिंग ऑफ फ्रूट्स. जो कच्चे फल होते हैं उनको पकाने के लिए इथाइलिन हार्मोन का यूज किया जाता है. इसके अलावा इथाइलिन या इथीन इज द फर्स्ट मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ द एल्कीन्स. अनसैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन्स में एल्कीन्स का फर्स्ट मॉलिक्यूल जो होता है दैट इज इथीन और एथिलीन बिकॉज दिस कंटेन्स टू कार्बन एटम्स. सो दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड हाइड्रोजिनेशन हियर from the alkynes. This is alkynes. Alkynes means this is the acetylene or ethene. The general name of it is acetylene or IUPAC name is ethyne. Acetylene student इसके बारे में भी एक फैक्ट है. It is used in the welding with oxygen. ये welding process में यूज होता है with oxygen. When we do hydrogenation of alkynes in the presence of nickel platinum catalyst, both pi bonds of alkynes break down and addition of hydrogen takes place in this process. So addition of hydrogen is called hydrogenation. So this is the formation of alkanes with the help of from the unsaturated hydrocarbon by the process of hydrogenation. And if we are talking about the type of reaction, these are addition reactions. These both are addition reaction in which nothing is eliminated, only addition takes place by the breaking of pi bonds. Next method is the from alkyl molecules. From alkyl molecules. My dear student, in this method we will discuss about the second method is from alkyl halides. Alkyl halides क्या होते हैं स्टूडेंट्स? Alkyl halides are the compounds which contains one alkyl group and one or more halogen groups. Means alkyl halides or haloalkanes are the compounds in which any hydrogen is replaced by halogen atom. That is called alkyl halides, and these are also called haloalkanes. So in this preparation, when we treated alkyl halides or haloalkanes with different substances, we find the alkanes. So first, by the Woodward's reaction. This is the name reaction in which when two alkyl halides, Rx means alkyl halide, another Rx means alkyl halide. Students मैंने इसको रिवर्स करके शो किया हुआ है. And when it reacts with sodium metal. It reacts with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether. In the presence of dry ether. Here NaX will eliminated and we find the alkanes. Alkanes. We find the alkanes. But students, it has one drawback or limitation. We can only synthesize symmetrical alkanes. Symmetrical alkanes means if sigma bond will break, both same type of alkanes or carbon groups will find. So the Wutter's reaction is applicable only synthesis of symmetrical alkanes. On the synthesis of symmetrical alkanes. If you want to prepare unsymmetrical alkane or symmetrical alkane both, then you have to use Corey-House reaction. This reaction is applicable for the synthesis of symmetrical as well as unsymmetrical alkanes. First, what's the reaction? We are taking here alkyl halide. This is ethyl bromide. 2 carbons is here, so it is alkyl halide. When this alkyl halide react with lithium metal in the presence of dry ether, we find an organometallic compound. CH3CH2 Li means Br is replaced by the lithium and LiBr is eliminated and we find ethyl lithium. This is an organometallic compound. This is an organometallic compound. Organometallic compound means, students, when any metal is directly attached with carbon. Any metal is directly bonded with carbon atom. That type of compounds are called organometallic compounds. Okay. So here lithium metal is directly bonded with carbon. That's why this is an organometallic compound. Now we can take 2 moles of it. जो हमें लिथियम एथिल लिथियम मिला है, इसके हम क्या करेंगे, 2 मोल्स लेंगे और इसके 2 मोल्स की रिएक्शन कराएंगे किसके साथ, CuI क्यूप्रस आयोडाइड के साथ, क्यूप्रस आयोडाइड के साथ. देन वी फाइंड क्यूप्रस लिथियम डाइइथाइल lithium diethyl cuprous copper. So here we find the lithium diethyl copper and Li is eliminated in this reaction. So student, by this lithium diethyl copper we treated it with another type of, here we have taken ethyl bromide and here we are taking propyl bromide. Different types of alkyl halide in the presence of dry ether, we find N-haptane and byproducts is eliminated. So this is the simple method to prepare or synthesis unsymmetrical alkanes. This is by reduction of alkyl halides. By reduction of alkyl halides, this is another method from the alkyl halides. First we have discussed the Wutter's reaction. Second one is the Corey-House reaction and this is the reduction of alkyl halides. Here we are taking ethyl bromide. When this ethyl bromide react with hydrogen iodide, we find the ethane and HBr and I2 is eliminated. This is a simple reaction but it takes place in the presence of Rad-P. Here Rad-P is work for the elimination or absorption or separation of iodine. जो आयोडीन यहाँ पे फॉर्म हुई है उसको एलिमिनेट करने के लिए when this phosphorus react with iodine Pi3 is formed. That's why we used Rad phosphorus in this reaction, used to remove formed iodine. Clear? So now we are taking one example related to it. Ethyl bromide when react with hydrogen PT or PD catalyst, we find the ethane. So ethyl bromide का क्या हो रहा है, यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन हो रही है जिसमें हाइड्रोजन ने सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिया है Br को इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ प्लेटिनम और पैलेडियम कैटलिस्ट. नेक्स्ट मेथड इज द बाय यूजिंग Grignard reagents. Oh my dear student, this is very important. RMGX. This is also organometallic compound, organometallic compound, and it is a versatile organometallic compound. It is used in the all organic reactions. It gives all types of organic reaction, either inorganic, organic, either organic, aromatic or aliphatic. So this is a very important. This compound reagent was discovered by Victor Grignard. That's why this is called Grignard reagents. Alkyl magnesium halide. In place of X, most probably iodine and bromine is found. So alkyl magnesium bromide or alkyl magnesium iodide is the most important halogens for the preparation of Grignard reagents. Here, when alkyl halide react with magnesium in the presence of dry ether, all the substances combine to each other and form Grignard reagent, RMGX. This is the just preparation of Grignard reagent, because student, you will learn it in all 12th standard in all the compounds. Either you will study the alcohols, phenols, ethers, aldehydes, ketone, carboxylic acids. I mean, everywhere Grignard reagents will be used. So this is the simple method to prepare Grignard reagent. Here I am taking one example also. When ethyl bromide react with magnesium, it gives ethyl magnesium bromide. Then how can we find the alkanes by the Grignard reagent? So when alkyl magnesium halide react with water, it gives alkanes and byproducts are eliminated here. माय डियर स्टूडेंट, यहाँ पे आप एक और बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात जाने, हमेशा यहाँ पे कार्बन होता है नेगेटिवली चार्ज एंड दिस पार्ट इज पॉजिटिवली चार्ज. तो जब भी बॉन्ड का ब्रेकिंग होगी, हमेशा याद रखें आप, यहाँ इसमें एल्किल मैग्नीशियम ब्रोमाइड या आयोडाइड या क्लोराइड जो भी है ग्रिग्नार्ड एजेंट, इसमें क्योंकि हमेशा मेटल की टेंडेंसी होती है टू लूज इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो यहाँ हमेशा जो कार्बन होगा एल्किल ग्रुप इज नेगेटिवली चार्ज एंड मैग्नीशियम इज अ पॉजिटिवली चार्ज. और यहाँ जब वाटर को देखें तो वाटर OH नेगेटिव होता है एंड H पॉजिटिव होता है. तो यहां से OH एंड Mg निकलेंगे एज ए बाई प्रोडक्ट MgX एंड एल्केन इज फॉर्म. दैट इज ए वेरी सिंपल मेथड स्टूडेंट्स, सो लर्न इट. नेक्स्ट मेथड इज द थर्ड मेथड विच इज एल्किल हैलाइड्स के. हमने वुटर्स रिएक्शन स्टडी किया, कोरे हाउस रिएक्शन किया, रिडक्शन ऑफ एल्किल हैलाइड्स एंड फ्रॉम द ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट्स वी हैव डिस्कस्ड 4 टाइप्स ऑफ एल्किल हैलाइड्स. नाउ डीकार्बोक्सिलेशन मीन्स क्या होता है? रिमूवल ऑफ CO2. डी मीन्स होता है, जहां भी डी आता है स्टूडेंट्स वहां पे डी मीन्स होता है रिमूवल, और कार्बोक्सिलेशन मीन्स रिमूवल ऑफ CO2 बिकॉज कार्बोक्सिलिक ग्रुप इज द COOH. In from this group CO2 is easily eliminated. So when any carboxylic acid react with sodium metal, it gives sodium salt. When sodium salt of carboxylic acid react with caustic soda NaOH, so we find in the presence of CaO, quicklime. So here and the mixture of NaOH and quicklime is called lime soda. So we find the alkanes and sodium carbonate is formed as a byproduct. Sodium carbonate is formed as a byproduct. Examples, here you can see the examples. Acetic acid when react with caustic soda, it gives sodium salt carboxylate, and this sodium carboxylate when react with lime soda, heated with lime soda, it gives methane plus sodium carbonate is formed. So this is a simple method. Next decarboxylation method is the Kolbe's electrolytic method. This is also very important method students. When sodium acetate or salt of sodium carboxylic acid react, it dissociate. When we pass the current on it, it dissociate into carboxylate ion and sodium ion, and here the mechanism takes place. We have two electrodes, one is anode, other is the cathode. At cathode oxidation takes place, we know that. So here sodium acetate ion takes acetate ion lose its what's this? Yeah, we have lose here is a Na. It's not Na, it's electrons. Okay, so when this acetate ion heated, these lose its 2 electrons, and loss of electron is called oxidation and form acetate free radical. This acetate free radical easily lose carbon dioxide, means decarboxylation of acetate free radical is easily takes, and when 2 methyl free radical react, they form ethane. So this is a simple method. At cathode reduction takes place. Reduction means gain of electron. So when water takes these 2 electrons, here we find the hydroxide ion and bubbles of hydrogen are eliminated. Limitations क्या है? This reaction only formed over even number of carbon alkenes. Only even number carbon alkenes के लिए ये reaction applicable होती है, Kolbe reaction. So we can synthesize only even number carbon alkenes, not odd number carbon alkenes. Next method is the from alcohols, aldehyde and ketones. Alcohols, aldehydes and ketones से हम कैसे alkenes फॉर्म कर सकते हैं, सिंथेसाइज कर दे by the method of reduction of alcohols, A for alcohol, A for aldehyde and K for ketone, in the presence of red phosphorus. When alcohols ROH group is called alcohols react with HI in the presence of red phosphorus, they gives alcohol group is reduced into alkane group, and iodine water is eliminated. Next one, when aldehyde react with double number of HI in the presence of red phosphorus again, and temperature is more than that of alcohols, then we find another alkanes. And when the ketones react with HI in the presence of same condition and more temperature, we find the another, which is a unsymmetrical alkanes. So students, these are the simple methods to find the alkanes from alcohols, aldehydes and ketones. Now we will discuss chemical properties